Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the lights, partial lights, not every single light, in your JBL PartyBox on the go 2. And to do so, at first you need to have an application called the JBL PartyBox. And once you have done that, once you have installed this, you need to tap here the light control. And now, here, if you want to disable the lights on all, just here tap this button. What we don't want to focus on this thing. Here, as you can see, we have 3 sections. This backlight, like as you can see, is lines. This buttons, is 3 punctual here, 1, 2, 3, and this circle. And to disable or enable these functions, here tap just this. If it's grayed out, it means that this is disabled. If it's not grayed out, it means that this is enabled. Goodbye.